This is the Blackview A70, a new budget phone from Blackview, which costs around $80. And for that, we get 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, the SC983A CPU, which is 1.6 gigahertz, 6.5-inch display, 720p, a 5380 mAh battery, Android 11, some Sony camera sensors apparently, and that is pretty much it. Let's open this up. All right, not bad for the presentation. So the case says only the brave for some reason. Overall, it feels like a decent TPU case. This is a really rough screen protector. I'm just gonna remove that. Oh wow, look. The screen protector left a bunch of residue on the screen. Oh wow, I gotta clean this up. Holy crap, oh my god. Alright, so the back is removable, but not for the battery, but for the SIM slot and the micro SD slot. Overall, it does feel cheap because it is plastic at the end of the day, but not like too bad. In the box, we get some pamphlets, I'm guessing, that are in here. Okay, all we have is one pamphlet. Inside the box are micro USB cable and our charging brick. Feels pretty light, but not the lightest in the world. I would think I would trust this. So this is only 6 watts. Alright, so first impressions, the display looks pretty nice. The bezels are pretty impressive. The chin isn't even that big. The viewing angles, however, they're kind of bad, but doesn't matter that much. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. Alright, so as you can see, the fingerprint sensor is over here on the back. It's recessed enough so that you won't miss it. So the setup is pretty straightforward. You just do that. And that's it. Alright, the phone is all set up. The display looks actually pretty decent. Wait, let's try making it brighter. Okay. So it is pretty decent. I'm gonna make it less bright for the video so you guys can see it better. So it is pretty snappy. So I'm installing a few apps right now, including PUBG. And the phone overall feels pretty snappy. Let's see if we have face unlock. Oh, that was over there. Okay, face unlock. That was quick. All right, so first off, we're gonna test the fingerprint unlock. That wasn't bad. All right, so it isn't bad at all. Now the face unlock. That's pretty slow. I'm gonna do close up. Hold on. Alright, so when it's closer to my face, it does work a bit better. But fingerprint unlock, not the most reliable, but it works. And the face unlock is a bit slow. So if you get this phone, I don't think you're gonna be able to use the face unlock that often. Yep, it is stuttering. What if you do without ads? Oh, no, way better actually. It's a shame that these companies put ads on their phones, because there's people who use phones like this as their daily driver. And the ads are literally making their game run way worse. Hopefully they stop doing that. Alright. WinRider runs pretty decently. And it crashed. And let me reopen. Oh, come on. What? Why is this happening? Oh, can't open any apps now. Now it works. It is like lagging and stuff, but is it playable? Yeah, I mean, for most of the time the frame rate is pretty consistent, so you're not gonna have any major issues playing this game. Okay, graphics are the lowest. Okay, not bad, not bad. So I think overall this phone is pretty decent for gaming. I mean, I'm obviously not gonna be able to play like all the games in the best graphics, like especially PUBG, but PUBG runs fine, so yeah, it's pretty good. Overall, pretty good for gaming. Alright, so the speaker is pretty quiet, but at least there's no distortion in the quality overall for $80 is pretty decent actually. Alright, camera time. Okay, so rear camera 13 megapixels, front camera is only 5 megapixels, rear video is full HD, front video 720p. And with that, let's take our first selfie. Let's go outside. We are facing video on the Blackview A70 Full HD. There's a bit of a focusing issue on this phone, but it's overall pretty decent. When it's like not having this issue. Let's see if we step on the screen. It kind of fixes it, but not entirely. Let me know what you guys think. Front facing video on the Blackview A70 720p, but that's acceptable for the price. On my end, it looked pretty good. Let me know what you guys think overall of the video and picture quality. Yeah, is it worth it? Wait, let me get into the sun. There, now you guys can see me. So that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? And for $80, I think yes, it is worth the price. You get a decent performance, decent display, decent cameras, mass speakers. But for $80, I think this phone does everything you need it to, and it doesn't do it poorly. So if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.